Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Aulia. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite snacks, crunchy and delicious shrimp fritters, or as we call them, Bakwan Udang. They are crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, and packed with flowers. So let's start it.